Welcome to Everyday English Excellence. Hi, I'm Siri. What's your name?
Hello, Siri. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. Where are you from?
I'm from London. How about you?
I'm from New York. What do you do?
I'm a student. How about you?
I work as a teacher. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading and playing soccer. How about you?
I enjoy painting and cooking. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
I like pasta. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets. What's your favorite movie?
I like action movies. What's yours?
I love romantic comedies. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling. What's your favorite destination?
I love going to the beach. How about you?
I enjoy visiting historical places. What's your favorite season?
I like summer because of the warm weather. What about you?
I love autumn because of the colorful leaves. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. What about you?
I'm an only child. What's your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter. What about you?
I enjoy reading mystery novels. What's your favorite sport?
I like basketball. How about you?
I enjoy playing tennis. What's your favorite music genre?
I like pop music. What about you?
I enjoy listening to rock music. What's your favorite color?
I like blue. How about you?
I love green. Do you have any favorite hobbies?
Yes, I like drawing and gardening. How about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar and hiking. What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas. How about you?
I enjoy Halloween. Do you have any fears?
Yes, I'm afraid of spiders. What about you?
I'm scared of heights. What's your favorite TV show?
I like Friends. How about you?
I enjoy watching Game of Thrones. What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake. How about you?
I enjoy eating ice cream. What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor. How about you?
I dream of becoming a pilot. Do you have any favorite quotes?
Yes, live life to the fullest. What about you?
I like everything happens for a reason. What's your favorite place to relax?
I like to relax at the beach. How about you?
I enjoy spending time in the park. What's your favorite board game?
I like Monopoly. How about you?
I enjoy playing Scrabble. What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice. How about you?
I enjoy drinking coffee. What's your favorite subject?
I like math. How about you?
I enjoy science. What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I like hiking. How about you?
I enjoy swimming. What's your favorite type of movie?
I like comedies. How about you?
I enjoy watching thrillers. What's your favorite season?
I like summer. How about you?
I enjoy autumn. What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs. How about you?
I love cats. What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I like to hang out with friends. How about you?
I enjoy going to the movies. What's your favorite thing about yourself?
I like my creativity. How about you?
I love my sense of humor. What's your favorite type of food?
I like Italian food. How about you?
I enjoy Chinese food. What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas. How about you?
I enjoy Halloween. What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I like to read a book. How about you?
I enjoy watching movies. What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate. How about you?
I enjoy vanilla. What's your favorite fruit?
I like strawberries. How about you?
I enjoy apples. What's your favorite vegetable?
I like broccoli. How about you?
I enjoy carrots. What's your favorite place to visit?
I like Paris. How about you?
I enjoy visiting London. What's your favorite childhood memory?
I like playing with my friends. How about you?
I enjoy family vacations. What's your favorite way to relax?
I like to listen to music. How about you?
I enjoy taking walks. What's your favorite book genre?
I like fantasy novels. How about you?
I enjoy mystery books. What's your favorite thing about your job?
I like helping people. How about you?
I enjoy being creative. What's your favorite thing about your school?
I like my friends. How about you?
I enjoy the extracurricular activities. What's your favorite thing about your city?
I like the parks. How about you?
I enjoy the cultural events. What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny days. How about you?
I enjoy rainy weather. What's your favorite movie genre?
I like action movies. How about you?
I enjoy romantic comedies. What's your favorite type of transportation?
I like riding my bike. How about you?
I enjoy driving my car. What's your favorite thing to do at the beach?
I like building sand castles. How about you?
I enjoy swimming in the ocean. What's your favorite thing to do at the park?
I like having a picnic. How about you?
I enjoy playing sports. What's your favorite thing to do in the winter?
I like building snowmen. How about you?
I enjoy skiing. What's your favorite thing to do in the summer?
I like going to the beach. How about you?
I enjoy having barbecues. What's your favorite thing to do on a sunny day?
I like going for a hike. How about you?
I enjoy having a picnic. What's your favorite thing to do on a lazy day?
I like watching movies. How about you?
I enjoy reading books. What's your favorite thing to do with your friends?
I like playing board games. How about you?
I enjoy going to concerts. What's your favorite thing to do with your family?
I like going on road trips. How about you?
I enjoy having family dinners. What's your favorite thing to do on a Friday night?
I like going out to eat. How about you?
I enjoy watching movies at home. What's your favorite thing to do on a Saturday morning?
I like going for a run. How about you?
I enjoy sleeping in. What's your favorite thing to do on a Sunday afternoon?
I like spending time with my family. How about you?
I enjoy going for a hike. What's your favorite thing to do on a Monday evening?
I like attending a yoga class. How about you?
I enjoy cooking dinner. What's your favorite thing to do on a Tuesday afternoon?
I like going to the gym. How about you?
I enjoy taking a walk in the park. What's your favorite thing to do on a Wednesday morning?
I like reading a book. How about you?
I enjoy listening to music. What's your favorite thing to do on a Thursday evening?
I like watching my favorite TV show. How about you?
I enjoy going out with friends. What's your favorite thing to do on a weekend morning?
I like going for brunch. How about you?
I enjoy sleeping in. What's your favorite thing to do on a weekend evening?
I like going to a party. How about you?
I enjoy having a movie night at home. What's your favorite thing to do on a holiday?
I like spending time with family. How about you?
I enjoy traveling to new places. What's your favorite thing to do on a birthday?
I like having a party with friends. How about you?
I enjoy going out for a nice dinner. What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I like staying indoors and reading. How about you?
I enjoy watching movies. What's your favorite thing to do on a snowy day?
I like building a snowman. How about you?
I enjoy drinking hot chocolate. What's your favorite thing to do on a hot day?
I like going swimming. How about you?
I enjoy having a barbecue. What's your favorite thing to do on a cold day?
I like staying cozy indoors. How about you?
I enjoy having a bowl of soup. What's your favorite thing to do on a windy day?
I like flying kites. How about you?
I enjoy going for a walk. What's your favorite thing to do on a sunny day?
I like going for a bike ride. How about you?
I enjoy having a picnic. What's your favorite thing to do on a cloudy day?
I like staying indoors and reading. How about you?
I enjoy watching movies. What's your favorite thing to do on a foggy day?
I like going for a hike. How about you?
I enjoy taking photos. What's your favorite thing to do on a snowy day?
I like building a snowman. How about you?
I enjoy drinking hot chocolate. What's your favorite thing to do on a hot day?
I like going swimming. How about you?
I enjoy having a barbecue. What's your favorite thing to do on a cold day?
I like staying cozy indoors. How about you?
I enjoy having a bowl of soup. What's your favorite thing to do on a windy day?
I like flying kites. How about you?
I enjoy going for a walk. What's your favorite thing to do on a sunny day?
I like going for a bike ride. And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!